hug, kiss and have sex, says court. Youngsters have been given the go-ahead to kiss and have sex, as the Constitutional Court has declared this act is non-criminal amongst teenagers. The act, as it stood before yesterday, had criminal implications for children between the ages of 12 and 16 who engaged in consensual sexual activities. Any individual who had knowledge of these acts, such as a parent, health worker, or teacher, was required by law to report the children or face prosecution. The children, if found guilty, could have had their names included on the National Sex Offenders Register. The Constitutional Court said that the Sexual Offenses Act infringed the rights to dignity and privacy of children aged 12 to 16. The court maintained that making such behavior a crime, when such acts are part of normal adolescent development, would do more harm than good. Two organizations working with abused children, the Teddy Bear Clinic for Abused Children and RAPCAN, argued that the act contributed to social taboos. The court found that the law was overbroad and had a severe effect on adolescents' social lives and dignity. It cannot be doubted that the criminalization of consensual sexual conduct is a form of stigmatization, which is degrading and invasive, the court ruled. It said that listing the names of teenagers in the sex offenders register would have severely adverse consequences. They would, the court said, not be allowed to adopt or foster children and their employment options would be limited. The court suspended all investigations, arrests, prosecutions and criminal proceedings relating to the law until it was amended.